what I use that I mentioned on the live stream that I would share with you guys. It kills 99% of all bacteria. It's made by Lysol, so we know it's good. Obviously bleach, but you just put it in your fabric sheet slot in the washing machine, and you can find it on the same aisle that your laundry detergent sold. It's really good, and I hope that you guys can find it and use it. Hey guys, also just real quick, you get 90 fluid ounces for right between $7 to $9 depending on where you pick it up at. And just also keep in mind that your washing machine carries tons of bacteria. A lot of people didn't know that, but they do. So the clothes that you're sitting there washing, especially if you're a new mommy or for somebody very old, it's just very good to, even if your clothes are separated and washed differently, they're still being put in the same washing machine, which carries so many different kinds of germs. I won't get into all of it, but if you want to look into it yourself, you can. But again, Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, 0% bleach. I've washed it with tons of black stuff. It's amazing. I've used it for a very long time. Good stuff. Bye, guys.